Hi, so after completing a 40 hours of digital marketing course on Google and passing an exam to get this certificate, now I believe that I'm able to speak about digital marketing with you. Hi everyone, my name is Shanu Garg, and from this video I'll start the basics of digital marketing, the abstract of the 40 hours course that I just completed on Google. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you never miss an update in future. First of all, we should understand why digital marketing is important. In this world, digital things are just getting more in number, and most of your customers are also connected with internet. So in this era of digital marketing is an opportunity for you to have a great customer base globally at very cheap price, having the full access over analytics about your customers, that where they are from, what do they like, what they do not, what things they are more expected to be purchasing, how we can target them, how we can make them more comfortable, how we can connect with them, how to get feedback, and all this very easily using digital marketing. Firstly, why I should create the course and why you should watch the course if the course is present for free on Google and with the opportunity of certificate. I just believe that a 40 hours course is really good to understand, to learn, to just go through every aspect of knowledge you may need. But spending 40 hours on that course is not feasible for everyone, and going through every term that might not be useful for them is just like wastage of time. So I decided, as the one who completed the course, to share the abstract of the course in very short time and with the most of important chunks should be good for you. So I hope you will like this video.